to activate your robot, and even how to choose a contract. So here I'm going to log in using my simple account, so that I'm going to show you how to activate. So here, first of all, you see the account of Albion. If you want to activate your account, first of all, you have to come here. You have to come here to robots. You have to come here to robots option, then place here so that you can access the background. If you buy sandwich, you have to come on sandwich here, on sandwich. If you buy GTBot, you can go to sandwich, atomic, or GTBot, but we are going to pass through sandwich bot. When you tick on sandwich bot, you see the background now is coming. The background now is what is coming. So after seeing this background, what you do is to come here on activate. Here on activate. As new user, always you can come here on activate, or you come here on activate, then press here. So here you see activate now, activate your bot, activate now. Okay, you can press here. So after pressing here, you see here they show you activation button here. When you press on activate, you see here you have to recharge, so that activation fees may be appear here, but you see that the activation will require 49.9. So what you do, if we reach on this page, you write here by your hands. Okay, you press here, you select Theta, then after selecting Theta, you will write here 49.9, or you can write 50, but the system will deduct 50. Then press on confirm here. So this is the way you activate your robot. And after activate your robot, you will see another page containing different contracts, so that you can choose the contract that suits with your goals and targets, and also continue working with Albion. Thank you very much. This is how you can activate using your balance. So the activation fees of sandwich bot is 50, GT bot is 20, atomic bot is 150. So go and start new journey with this beautiful platform called Albion. I hope everything is understandable about this.